In this video, you're going to be seeing different ways you can shaping your eyebrow, either naturally or artificially. Okay, so the first one is using this lally, that's the cell, and this one is basically this mixture, herbal mixture with a little bit of chemical preservation that mostly Indians and Hausa people use to design their hands. Let me say Muslims in general. Most of them use it to design their hands, their feet during marriage, or even the ones that are proper Muslim. They just use it anytime they feel like, just as part of fashion. And here I see a lot of ladies innovating and turning this thing to something else, trying to be creative with this. But I would advise that if you react, if your skin easily reacts to things, do not try using this. Do not try using this, because as much as we see a lot of ladies like this use it and it comes out fine and clean, there are also some people that use it and their healing process was not funny. It gave them a lot of reaction, and you would have believed that it was just this that caused that reaction. So if you know that your skin is very sensitive, do not try using it. And if you must try, make sure you do a skin test. You do a test with that product on your skin, like a parchment test on your skin, so as to see if, or to know if you're going to react to it. It's better react to something on your skin, maybe like your hands or your thigh or something, than to react on your face, and you will not be able to go out, or you'll be sad that your face is bad and all that. So here is how we actually mix this, and I just want you to enjoy and watch the rest of the video. I believe that at the end of this video, if you do not know how to draw your eyebrow, you should be able to learn one or two from these videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.